DJI's first ever 360 camera has been completely leaked. Quadro News has just posted on X the first images of the box, including the full spec sheet, with all the details about the camera sensor, the recording capabilities, the battery, and the new features it brings. So let's get into it. Let's go straight to the point. Here are all the camera specs. According to the images posted on X by Quadro News, the Osmo 360 will feature a double 1-inch sensor setup, making it far better than any Insta360 camera. For reference, the X5 sensors are only 1 over 1.3 inches. And not only that, it will be capable of taking 120 megapixel 360 pictures. Moving on to the video capabilities, the Osmo 360 will record 8K 30 frames per second 360-degree videos, and in 4K at 120 frames per second. It will also support a super wide-angle format, which records only using one lens with an FOV of 170 degrees. All of this while supporting 10-bit and D-Log-M formats. Speaking about the optics, it looks like they're also replaceable, although they don't have any support for additional protective lenses. The spec sheet also says the camera will be capable of recording for 100 minutes at maximum resolution, so at 8K 30 frames per second. At the back of the box, we can also see it will again feature quick release mounts, like all the previous DJI cameras, and Osmo audio support, ensuring direct compatibility with DJI wireless microphones without needing any external transmitter. We already saw and discussed the hardware of the camera and the layout of all the buttons and microphones in my previous video. I'll leave it right here so you can watch it if you're interested. Let's now talk about the price, which was also revealed in the images posted by Quadro News on X, but in my opinion is not the correct one. In fact, we're talking about a whopping $750 for the standard combo. But wait, because that's the price in Australian dollars. The Osmo 360 will be priced at about $510 according to Quadro News. Make sure you're subscribed to not miss the posts on the channel's community tab for all the updates, and drop a like if this video was helpful.